Steve! 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 Alex, why'd you wake me up for? Steve, your loud snoring keeps waking me up and I can't even get my sleep properly. I'm sorry, Alex. I just can't help it myself with it. Alright, but can we at least just sleep quietly and silent? Otherwise, I might have to go to another room. Alright. I'm sorry, Alex. Alright, it's alright. So, let's get some shut-eye.